Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore refinance closing cost comparison with Trulia, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Trulia's homepage. Log into your Trulia account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Search for the property you want to refinance by entering the address in the search bar. Once you've located the property, click on the listing to view its details. Scroll down to find the financial information related to the property. Look for the section that provides estimated monthly payments and closing costs. Take note of the highlighted closing costs listed in this section. If the closing costs are not visible, check if there is an option to calculate or view more details. Click on the options available to open the closing cost details. Make sure to take a screenshot or write down the closing costs for later reference. Compare these costs with your current refinance options from other lenders. Visit the websites of those lenders to gather their closing costs and interest rates. Create a simple table or spreadsheet on paper or digitally for easy comparison. Write down each lender's closing costs alongside the corresponding estimates from Trulia. Pay special attention to any additional fees that might not be included in the initial estimate. Consider factors such as loan type, interest rates, and overall net costs over the life of the loan. Analyze the differences and determine which options best align with your financial goals. Finally, make a decision based on the most economical choice that meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.